Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kayla. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back.
Everything around me
Sleeping on this. Come on, focus. Focus. Okay, there we go. Definitely been sleeping on it. Okay. Alright y'all, so I finished my makeup. This is the wig that I got right here. Can't see that. Yep, there you go. So the reason why I edited my makeup into this portion or that portion of the video is because it's like boom boom boom. Like you just put the wig on. Like you probably gotta do a few cuts here and there, but you literally just put it on. It's not too much. Let me grab my wig cut. I didn't put makeup up here because I'm putting on another wig after this because I'm going somewhere. I've already worn this wig before. I worn it out as well. It's cute, but don't think you about to be running your fingers through it and flipping it and doing the most. No, you're not about to do that. I only wore it once and the ends are crunchy. Yeah, it doesn't look like it, but it's giving crunch. So don't think you finna do all that. All right, so I'm just gonna put it on. And the best part about it is you don't even need to glue it down. Like this is like a break from gluing your wigs down. Oh gosh, hold up. That's actually the worst part. The bangs in front of my face. And it does come with straps, but it does not come with combs. That was another thing that I didn't like. The fact that it didn't come with combs. Yeah, I need to cut it somewhere because the hair keeps getting in my face. And like I said before in my previous videos, I always use a round brush to bring back the curls. Like this is what it looks like. It's like a loose wave, pretty curls, honestly. Like it's really cute. I got a lot of compliments with this wig. You just gotta thin out these bangs. You can leave it how you want it, but the bangs are thick, so that's why I wanted to. Yeah, all I did was just thin out the bangs. That's literally all I did, and probably layer a little bit more. That's it. That's all. Nothing special. This actually reminds me of Janet Jackson. Okay, so I'm kind of like an old head. Like I love old school music. I can't think of that. I know the video, but I can't think of the song. And it's not exactly like this. It was kind of like, I gotta find the video. Okay, but it's definitely good. I got so many compliments on this wig while being at work. Instead of just using this, I really think one of those scissors, it has this on them, and then you just cut them and then it thins out the wig. So yeah, but I told y'all I kind of like that. Like I like thinner hair, so it's not too much on me because I have a peanut sized head. I like how this side is like falling. I feel like I need to thin this side out. And the bangs, they kept like going this way. I really didn't like it. The more and more like I thinned out the bangs, the more it became like a bump. So I didn't have to use a flat iron. Even if you do decide to use a flat iron, just remember use low heating. Do not use high heating because this is synthetic wig. You will change the texture of the hair. Okay. This one is $17. This is the one that we're about to get into. I'm not gonna talk directly or live. I'm going to just do a voiceover, and I really hope y'all like this video. Like I said, don't be trying to do too much with this wig. Just get a brush. Not the one with the metal bristles, but one like this, because I feel like the metal will make the curls disappear way quicker than the one that's like this with the softer bristles a little bit. So yeah, if you want to know the products that I use to do my makeup, I'll leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Alright y'all, so I'm really going to be doing a lot of cutting. At first when I seen this wig, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, I love the color, but I didn't think the color was going to be like red highlights. I thought it was just going to be like a solid red, but it was not like that. So my expectations were disappointed. But I still made it work. I ended up really liking it. By me like layering and cutting and thinning the hair out, it definitely made the highlights of the wig blend, and I really like that, because at first it was definitely giving like it's a synthetic wig, but we're not trying to go for a synthetic wig. We trying to go for, oh that's cute, like ain't nobody clocking it. All right. That's what we're going for. But it's pretty simple with the layering and the cutting, and you really gotta eyeball it honestly, but this is so easy and so simple, and I really hope y'all like it.